What's the difference between a home inspection and an appraisal? When you get under agreement on a property, you get your offer accepted, you have the ability to have your own home inspection. And what that means is that you're gonna hire your own home inspector to check the heating, cooling, all the different components of a house to make sure things are functioning right.
Hey everyone, today in this video we will learn to do this kind of editing, and for this, first of all, what we will do, we'll just import all the essential things in our Capcut's interface. And here you can see that I have done the import section. Basically I have imported the raw clip as well as the edited clip, so that while edit we can check that which type of designs has used in this editing. So firstly, for first screen we will create this zooming out effect by using keyframes. So here we will click on the text and I'll just import the default text. I'll write the what's the and then difference and between, means I'll write all the text separately so that we can adjust them better. And now by doing this we will just choose the color as you can see in the reference image. By just doing this I am just animating all the text here, and then we will click on the difference and we'll just simply copy and paste it again to give it more glowy look. And then I'll make the second difference text, and then I'll make the second different text into compound clip. And here we will choose mask, and by masking we will design this effect. You can see that now it's 99% similar than the given one. And here for next slide, what I need to do is just import this clip. Basically we can download this PNG from Google very easily, and I'll just put it something like this so that the ankle of the hand should be at the bottom corner. And then I'll just adjust it, and then took this head image, and we have to adjust this image into this frame. First of all, I'll just drag its opacity down, and then we will start adjusting it into this clip by just scaling its height and width. And here you can see that it's 99% done. We can check it by zooming out our clip so that we can have more satisfying results. And now here it's done. And now what I will do, I'll just click on the three lines above on the Capcut's interface, and from here I'll just click on the rulers and I'll take the x-axis line as well as the y-axis line for better understanding. And then we will make this clip compound and then keep it here. And then by simply following these steps as you are seeing in the screen, we'll just make this kind of 2 PNG with the photos in the cover. And we have to put it here something like this so that the first image should be shorter than the second one. For a better look we have to do this. Now let's move on the third frame. And here what we need to do, we just need to have a wooden background, so we have to import it on the timeline. We will just rotate it and then just do a bit color grade for giving it more cinematic look. And then here I have some article. We have to put all these articles here. Basically we need 3 articles, and by just putting these articles on timeline, what I need to do is just animate these PNGs. So for this, first is coming from the right tool screen, and the second from the left side, and the third one from the bottom side. So we will do this accordingly. Then we will just cut the 3 of the clip and then zoom out of the top clip. And here what I have done, you can see that I just went on the shape area. I just chose this square box, and then we have made it into rectangle strip. And by just doing this, we have to put it here according to the timeline. We will adjust this, and then we will just make it compound clip by simply click on the Command plus G. and then simply I have to go on the blend mode, basically in opacity mode, and here we can choose darken and brighten according to our need. Now let's move on the second part, and basically before moving on the second part, I would like to tell you all that if you are someone who is watching this video and wanna learn video editing with AI, with motion graphics, with talking head, then definitely you can contact on the given number which I have mentioned in the description, and we can connect for your profitable freelance business. Now let's move on the timeline, and here as you are saying that I have just put the white background and these emojis, and you can see that the direction of these emojis is opposite to each of one, and then this text. And now what we need to do is just make a compound clip of all these things. And now what I did, I just put a bit of blur effect on the emojis, and then we will just make it a compound clip. Let's move on the next screen edit. Basically here I have a girl PNG which we will use to creating the second screen design. And then we will just come on the shape option, and here I will choose the circle shape, and in circle shape what I will just choose, I'll just fill yellow color in it. And then I'll just copy paste this girl again. On the second clip I will just move, and I'll just remove the background of the second clip so that this circle can go behind the main object. And by doing this, here you can see that it's a bit ready. Now what we need to do is just putting the text here. You can see that I already have written the text before recording this video, and we will just put it here. Basically you can simply create this text as I have told you in starting, and then what I need to do is just giving it a bit motion. For this you are watching what I am doing, animation in our shape, in our circle shape basically, and then keyframing in our main girl PNG so that we can have a better effect. Now for last part, what we need to do is just basically type these words. I'll just copy paste to the heading text again, and we will make it a compound clip. And then by simply clicking on the adjust, here you can see that I have down the graph and I have changed the color of the cooling text. Simply basically in Capcut you can do these things very easily in PNGs, in your B-rolls as well as in your text. So by doing these things, I'll just create the last part of our video, and here you can see this is our final results. The last screen I have left for you all to edit. I just want that you people edit this clip, and if anyone from you is watching this clip till now and wants to practice for this clip, definitely you can WhatsApp me on the number which I have mentioned in description, and definitely I will share all the details with you. All the best. Let's meet in the next video. This side Sana Fatima signing this video off so that I can create more valuable content for all of you.
What's the difference between a home inspection and an appraisal? When you get under agreement on a property, you get your offer accepted, you have the ability to have your own home inspection. And what that means is that you're going to hire your own home inspector to check the heating, cooling, all the different components of a house.
And if you find this video valuable, then definitely just hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon also.